Hey everyone, in this quick Canva guide, I'm going to show you how to change the color of any image, yeah, even photos, using simple tools inside Canva. This is super helpful if you want to match brand colors or just get a clean aesthetic. So let's jump right in. First, upload the image you want to edit. If you're already inside a project, just drag the file in or hit the Uploads tab. Pretty straightforward. Before you start switching colors, make sure the image supports color editing. Flat graphics and icons usually do. Photos need the color picker trick I'll show in a second. If your image is a graphic or icon, changing the color is super easy. Just click the image, tap the color square at the top, and choose any new shade you want. You can even type in your hex code if you want it exact. For photos, we're going to use one of Canva's built-in effects. Click the photo, open the edit panel, then scroll to Effects and choose Duotone. It lets you recolor the entire image with two custom tones. Now choose any duotone preset and open its settings. Change the highlight and shadow colors to anything you want. This is how you match brand colors or get that stylish monochrome look. Yeah, it's really flexible. If the colors look too strong, adjust the intensity slider, or you can stack more edits on top, like brightness or saturation, to make things blend better. When everything looks the way you want, hit the share button, choose download, and save it as a PNG or JPG. And that's how you change the color of any image in Canva. Super quick and super flexible. If this helped, feel free to subscribe for more simple design guides. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one.